Bengaluru's weather is honestly one of the best, but we rarely step out to actually enjoy it in a much slower way. Bengaluru actually has plenty of options for a perfect, quick weekend getaway. Take a bike ride, a short drive, or maybe go family camping. But finding free and safe spots for camping isn't always easy. So based on our research and community inputs, here are 5 free camping spots near Bangalore for a perfect and quick weekend getaway, be it a day trip or an overnight camping. About 80 kilometers from Bangalore, near Narayanpura village, this Arkavati backwater stretch offers multiple peaceful spots commonly used for day camping and short nature getaways. On Google Maps, you can search any of these names and you'll still reach the same stretch. People usually come here to slow down, take a short drive on the charming rural roads, enjoy Bangalore's weather, and sometimes cook a simple meal. As far as the road conditions, the drive is mostly beautiful, but once you get off the highway, the roads get narrow. The last stretch is slightly offbeat with few muddy patches. Bikes, SUVs or vehicle with higher ground clearance works best here. Please keep this in mind, there are no facilities here. No toilets, no drinking water and no eateries nearby. So if you're planning a day trip or day camping, bring a toilet tent. Remember, the lake is not your bathroom. Bring your own drinking water. The lake water is not safe. Bring your food or cook a simple meal. But remember, the lake and the area around is not your dustbin. Next up, Therali Viewpoint near Kolar. Based on our community inputs, this is one of those places where people mostly visit for the famous Hairpin Bend Drive and for the view. Therali Viewpoint, which is about 60 to 80 kilometers from Bangalore, gives you the best view of the entire town Kolar. The easiest way to reach here is by driving towards Kolar on NH 75. The roads are mostly smooth, avoid inner village roads where possible. Once you reach the top hill, you get a wide area to safely park your car. Based on our community inputs, Therali Viewpoint works best for day camping. Cook some simple food, relax for few hours, enjoy the view and wind up before night. Night camping here is little risky because the terrain is steep, visibility is low and there's very little lightings. Keep this in mind, this place also do not have proper facilities. No toilets, no drinking water and no restaurants nearby. Moving on to KRS backwaters near Srirangapatna. This entire stretch has more than 10 to 14 beautiful spots where you can go camping with family. And each spot gives you a completely different vibe. Some feel like a beach and some feel like a quiet island and some have more traditional temple side vibe. KRS backwaters is about 130 to 150 kilometers from Bangalore. On Google Maps, you can search any of these names. The drive is mostly smooth, but the last stretch tells a different story. About 1.5 kilometer stretch of pothole-filled roads as you reach the temple area. And vehicles with decent ground clearance are a safer choice. From the information that we have gathered from our community, it works best as a full day trip or picnics or even camping. But night camping at KRS backwaters needs extra caution. See, this is a wide open area next to a large water body. Once the sun sets, the wind and breeze can get surprisingly strong. From what the community has experienced, even good quality tents can struggle here. The wind direction keeps changing and tent poles may not hold properly in the soft ground. Carry enough water, food and everything you'll need for the day. Carry back all your trash. Unfortunately, some of the spots of the river body is already covered with plastic. So please do not add to it. Places like KRS backwaters stay open and accessible only when we take the responsibility. A quick heads up before we continue. In this video, we're only sharing information. We're showing places that people already commonly visit. Things like safety, weather, locals, permissions, or even officials showing up, that's all situational and can change anytime. So always double check before going camping, especially if you're planning for an overnight camping. Alright, let's move on to the next beautiful location near Bangalore where you can go camping. Panama Lake is about 60 to 70 kilometers away from Bangalore, located just after Hosur. The connectivity from Bangalore is good. Once you cross Hosur, the traffic reduces and the drive gets calmer and more scenic. You might even pass a beautiful marigold farm. Vanamak Lake is commonly used for camping, including overnight stays. So far, people haven't reported requiring any kind of formal permissions to camping. There are a few things you should be prepared for. Here are certain things that people from our community follows which can be helpful. Since this is an open area with water body, mosquitoes are unavoidable. So carry proper repellents, and lavender-based room fresheners works really well, since the smell naturally repels mosquitoes. Spray Dettol around the camping area before setting up. Make sure your tent is well secured and do not rely on lightweight tents. If you plan properly, you can enjoy a peaceful sunset, cook your own dinner, and spend a quiet, peaceful night by the waters. The best for the last, Kabini backwaters. If you're looking to camp in a place that truly feels calm and deeply connected to nature, this is one location you shouldn't miss. Kabini backwaters is around 200 to 250 kilometers from Bangalore. What makes Kabini special is the landscape, which is why the place feels heaven. The last 1 or 2 kilometers is slightly offbeat. During rains, this stretch can get slippery and drive can be tricky. On Google Maps, you'll find a few access points. These are all the same backwater stretch, just different entry points. A lot of campers have shared positive experience and recommended this place for a safe family camping. But remember, there are no facilities here. Carry everything you need and please take everything back with you. Please don't litter, do not leave food waste, and don't treat it like a party spot. If you love road trips, camping, or just getting out there, you're already a part of this. This is just the beginning. We're slowly mapping camping spots across India. Real places, real experience. So stay tuned, follow along, and subscribe to the channel. Be a part of growing camping culture in India.
Is camping really unsafe in India?